All right, check out this 1999 Ford Ranger XLT. It's a great truck. It's a truck. It's a Ranger. It's an extended bed, I believe. It's got 199, but the engine has been changed out with lower miles. So it's a good truck. It's clean. It's got everything you need. Perfect work truck. Not the prettiest of colors, but it works. If you need a truck. Inside's not bad. Has the sliding mirror there, window there. Let's take a peek inside. Great for a student. It's clean. It's a clean truck. Ice cold air. Has a little cosmetic things like the radio thing here that needs a little bit of a faceplate on it. That's all. That's nothing much. Rear view mirror needs to be put back on. But the upholstery is great. So this truck is only $29.95 right now. I can't say any more. Everybody's been asking about it. You need to come and see it. It's a good truck. Jack's Auto Sales.